Sophie Frugalidad, Cindy Amira Caniaga, and Amy Shanae Frugalidad. Ayan, a round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan to the Flower Ladies. There's a shout to my Flower Ladies. Yung mga Flower Ladies natin, so bigyan na ito ganito na yung mga Flower Ladies natin magkakaroon ng grand extra. So let's take this opportunity na dapat makita natin sila to dance a TikTok song. Flower Ladies, are you guys ready? Ready na ba? Alright? Ano na? Freestyle, okay? 3, 2, 1,